guys, welcome to the Nature Center of Asheville. So yeah, let's go inside guys. But first let's buy admission tickets so we can go inside.
Let's go.
Let's go guys.
Can we get inside this one? Ayaw mo sa chicken? Hindi naman, di siya nalalabas.
Chicken.
You want to see chicken, Yosef, besides what you're eating?
Chicken.
O, diba?
Good.
Isinuzo ang chicken. Nakazo ang chicken. Pero in fairness, ha, social yung mga chicken yan. Important.
There's two dominant ones and there's two leghorns and then there's also
Parang social ba ikaw nagsalta ng leghorn,
and then
no?
two of this one.
Ayan, naka-ano ang chicken. Let's go. So this one is the barn. Ayan, usual na farm.
There's a goat.
Ano yan?
It's a goat.
Dwarf?
So guys, it's a Nigerian dwarf goat.
Nigerian dwarf goat. Oo nga, mukhang ang drug me to hell to.
Why does
Hey!
why does it have so much skin? Guys, why does
Diyos ko, ang sarap ng kaldereta ni Tis. Ano kaya nasa pag ang kaldereta dito galing talaga yung kambing. Sarap. Diba, mayroon pa mga... May kanya-kanya pa mga pangalan yung goat. Ang laki ng goat, Juan! Ilang tao mapapakain pag kinaldereta yan? Angora goat. Pag ito kinaldereta,
5 people? The tail, the body, no, 2 people.
Ayo. Ang daming goats. Hello, goat!
The baby one is gonna look so tasty.
Kaya ba ang goat? Goat kayo? Hindi naman yung goat.
Hello, goat. What's your name? Hello, goat.
Ang laki ng goat! My God. Nakakapanibago yung goat. Ang lalaki. Ayan. This is supposedly the Black Bear Ridge. Unfortunately, the bear is out for winter daw. So, wala ditong bear ngayon. Ano?
Hey, bear.
Donkey? This is a Sicilian
Hello, donkey.
donkey.
Hello, donkey. There's a bear.
Hi, donkey! Breakfast is ready. Ayan, dapat nandyan yung bear. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari sa black bear. Eto na siya. Naka-face mask. Eto na po ang bear, ang black bear. Naka-face mask ang black bear. So, eto na po ang black bear. Hello! Charot. So, wala yung bear doon dahil kasi laki ko naman yung bear. So, pagtsagaan nyo muna ako dahil mukha naman akong bear. Hindi ako makahinga sa face mask. Maganda dito, Juan, dahil bukod sa nakakakita ka ng hayop, ay ikaw ay nakakapag-exercise. Ano?
Yeah, and then this foot hurts, and then if you squeeze my vaccine here, because I just got my vaccine, guys, if you squeeze it, it's kind of gonna like hurt. And yesterday, if you squeeze it really tight, it will hurt. But now, if you squeeze it tight, it doesn't hurt that much, but it still hurts though. Look, on cold days, they are likely to sleep in their den and not on the exhibit. But on warmer days, they might venture outside. Told ya.
Say hi.
Hi, Butter. So, guys, he is saying hi to the vulture picture. Tiger. Is she tiger? No. Hello, tiger. There's no tiger here. Only this is the Black Bear Ridge. Ha! Black. Black. Black.
Wait, may nagtatatakbong mga nakaligtas na squirrel.
The panda looks like squirrel. And then all their cats is tigers. And tigers, guys, are cats, but they're the wild and strongest.
Hindi, sadyang ganyan na itsura ng mga cats nila, parang mga wild.
Yeah, but the home cats aren't.
Siya pag hilaw sa iyo.
Hello, bear.
Panda.
That panda.
Oh, narin ang mga panda.
Guys,
Yeah, let's see. Ang panda.
guys.
Diyos ko, yun lang ang panda. Ayun ang mga pandas. Oh. Nilalamig. Hindi dyan nakaitan. This is the Brandon's Otter Falls.
Haha.
Hey everybody, welcome to the UNC Nature Center. My name is Elena and these are our North American river otters, Olive and Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan is the larger and lighter of our two river otters. He'll be feeding back towards the pool. Olive is the smaller and darker one, and she'll be feeding up here in the waterfall area.
Here, step back. They're going in the hole. Yeah.
Olive was born in the wild, and she was orphaned as a pup. We don't know what happened to her mom. We just know that she didn't come back. A family in South Carolina found her as a baby in the wild,
Whoopee.
and they tried to help her by keeping her as a pet.
Yeah,
That family quickly realized that wild animals don't make great pets. River otters are giant swimming water weasels. Their mouths are full of pointy teeth, and as Olive grew older, the family realized that they could no longer keep her as a pet, and so they turned her over to a wildlife rehabilitation facility.
Nasaan? Northern Pine Snake. Ayun, ang snake. Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty naman. This is the black rat snake.
I saw it over there.
Huh?
I saw it over there.
Yeah.
It's black with rose.
Oh, diba?
A corn snake.
Asan yung ulo niya? Kita dyan yung ulo? And then corn snake, ayun, nakatulog din. Parang kakagatin na nga tayo, oh. Timber rattlesnake. Yee!
Mama is scared of it.
Diba nakakatakot siya? Ano yan? Eastern box turtle.
Nice turtle. Copperhead. Look this.
What's that, Yosef?
Turtle.
Turtle.
Incorrect. It's Eastern dog.
Copperhead. Nasaan? Ayun, copperhead. Wala nang old turtle. Oh, tama yung spotted turtle, oh.
Yun yung turtle eh.
Yung nakita mo?
No crowd. Crowd.
Ay, naglalangoy. So this one is a painted
Turtle. It's
turtle.
pink.
Ay, lumalaki siya. Turtle. Hi.
That turtle is like me when I go on the water. I want to go back.
Ito, wait for them.
So guys, this is the spring pepper turtle. I mean frog. So, and that's the over there.
Ay, ako na ito. Yan. A spotted salamander.
It's a spotted salamander.
Eastern garter snake.
Rough green snake.
Yun nandun naman. Wala yung ulo.
Kita ko na. Ayun, kita ko ulo. Then sa leaves.
Ayun. And this one is a rough green snake.
And it's over there.
Ang haba. Juan, ganito yung nakapasok sa atin, ano? Pato. Turtle. Eastern box turtle. Juvenile. Oh, alam na.
Nakakulong kasi nasa juvenile.
Nasa detention. Go. So, go, Yuan.
Okay. Morgan, come on down. Now come here.
Go.
You come here. You do not climb up that. Understood? No, I said don't, and then you kept doing it. Not cool. You can go on this side of the rope.
Ano basa? Mapangit mag-slide kasi it's wet. Let's go.
I'm not gonna take you back up there if you don't want to.
So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys! Bye Otter Falls.